Okay, just to follow on from today's lesson, I'm going to go through again how to solve simultaneous equations graphically using your graphics calculator. Now, the way we're going to do this one is because the first one, H, does not have Y or X as the subject, we need to rearrange them first. In order to do that, we need to go into Main, clear all, and then select from your keyboard. Remembering yours will be different because it's all more readily accessible to you than the computer model. Solve and enter the equation 2x plus y equals 7. And we want y to be the subject. So we put comma y, close brackets and enter, and the calculator rearranges it for us. Now for h we also have to do two different equations in this manner. So we're going to repeat the process with the second equation, y minus 3x. Although for some of you, you might have been able to do it in your head because all you have to do is move the 3x to the other side and make it positive. Equals 2. Make y the subject, close your brackets and hit enter. Now, we're going to want to eventually graph it. So we go into the graph icon up here and we click down the tab and we select Y1, Y2 list format and it opens a window up for us. Again, we need to clear all so that we have a clean working space. We then go back into our previous window and cut and paste. Now you can type it in if you want, or you can just copy it and drag it down to where you want it. Hit enter, a little tick will appear and that means that it will graph when we hit graph later on. We go back up and repeat the process with the second equation, putting it into the second position, hit enter again, and we've got that done. Now you'll see that there is a blue box around the list. That means that we're now highlighting that screen as being the one that we want to work from. We then go back up to the top to the graph icon, click on that, and the graph will be drawn. Now it's not a problem with this one because we can see where the intersect is, but sometimes we might need to change the window size, which is this button here. To find out where they intersect, which is the whole purpose of simultaneous equations, we go into Analyze, G-solve, Intersection, and the calculator identifies the intersection as being 1 and 5. So we would write it as bracket 1, 5, and that's the solution to those simultaneous equations.